this is the Corinthia Hotel in Budapest, and you come through the front door to a little entrance hall, and then you've got a huge, great big living room with TV, chairs and table, and a desk. And the view from this room looks out over this little courtyard. And then you come back through the corridor, and then there's a little toilet here. So you've got a separate toilet and sink from the bathroom, which is just through here. So in here you've got the nice big shower, toilet, sink, amenities, bath, and then you've got these lovely robes. And you come back out, and in this little corridor you've got tea and coffee making facilities and 2 huge wardrobes with extra pillows, which are always welcome, and a safe. And then you have the bedroom, which again, it's nice and big, plenty of space. And then there's a desk, TV, and mini bar, good selection of drinks and snacks. And then in there, that's just like, you can pull this out, and you've got your glasses, and I've no idea what this is. Quince. Nope, not a clue. And then some more snacks. And then here you've got some drinks. And then my favourite part of these hotels, you've got the stationery. And here you even have postcards too, which you didn't have that in the last ones. So that's nice. And then there's internet that you can hook up to, as well as Wi-Fi. And then from this room, the view is the street below. Quite a nice view. A little bit noisy, but we'll see how that is tonight. And this is an executive room, so as well as the room you also get lots of complimentary drinks and breakfast and supper in their kind of like funny room thingy-majiggy, which is on the 2nd floor.